Today I'm super excited to share with you this recipe of hummus, a Middle Eastern dip spread for your pita bread, your sandwiches, your wraps. It's an excellent, rich and creamy dip and sauce which everyone is going to love. Welcome to our channel Good Vegetarian. Let's get started on how to make rich and creamy hummus. For that we need 1 cup of canned chickpeas, or you'll have to soak raw chickpeas overnight and then boil them the next day. We need to remove the skin on the chickpeas. Just pinch it between your fingers and the skin will come out easily. We need to do this to get some rich, ultra smooth hummus. So if you want some rich and creamy hummus, do go through this trouble and trust me, it's totally worth it. Next, into the bowl of food processor, we're going to add about 1/4 cup of tahini, and I've got already a video on how to make tahini. 1/4 cup of AQUAFABA, that's the liquid from your boiled chickpeas or the water from your canned chickpeas. Then about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, teaspoon of cumin powder, some salt, and then we're going to add 2 to 3 garlic cloves. If they are roasted, it's going to taste even better. Some freshly squeezed lemon juice, say about 2 tablespoons. Once we're done putting all the ingredients into the bowl of food processor, we're going to process this for 1 minute till all the ingredients blend well. You can also use a high power blender instead of a food processor. So once we're done giving all the ingredients a mix, we'll be adding the chickpeas and we will process this for about 2 minutes. Next, we're going to scrape the sides and the bottom of the bowl of the food processor, and we'll again process it for about 2 minutes. So you can process this for about 2 to 3 minutes till the required consistency is reached. You can add some water if you want some thin consistency of your hummus. And now your rich and creamy hummus is ready to be served. You can garnish it with some paprika, some olive oil and parsley leaves. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Do let us know in the comments below how the hummus has turned out for you. Thank you for watching. Do like, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click on the notification bell for the latest updates.